I haven't been uploading videos for a while. I've enjoyed the New Zealand summer, but with COVID in full swing here now, I've had other things to worry about. And so I've been in my art room and I've been enjoying doing a little bit of art just for the relaxation, but without videoing it. But today I'm a little bit excited because finally, after trying for a year, I have managed to get a split cup. I got it on AliExpress and I was surprised it only took 2.5 weeks to get from China to New Zealand. And today I'm just doing a practice, basically a practice session of it because I haven't used it before. So I've got a small 8 by 10 canvas and I'm going to try doing a waterfall style pour with the use of the cup, colours in the cup. I'm going to just prop the canvas up a little. I hope it's not too steep, it should be fine. And the colours that I'm going to use are my Jazz Art white. This one is called Kooky from the Warehouse, a local store in New Zealand, and it's in gold. And of course my black, which is Montmartre black in the lamp black. And so I will now fill up my new toy and then I will pour to see what I can get. Well, for a first attempt that wasn't brilliant, was it? I am going to use my cup again, but I'm going to refill it with the colours but no black. And I'll tip again and do a standard pour over the top of what I've got there just to see what I can get. I'm not putting too much paint on because The cup is quite big, but the canvas is quite small. So I'm only kind of filling up to the halfway point. In the original pour you saw before, I put a bit more white in, hoping to get more of white involvement in it, but of course the black just completely took over, and that's probably because the black is what I consider to be a better quality paint, and the white, the gold is cheap. It's a budget paint, and it's obviously far more translucent than the other paints. So I'm just going to see what I can get from these just by doing a standard pour over the black with the gold and the white. By standard pour I mean just like the tree ring run, the round and round circles, but I won't be lifting up the canvas on one side, and I will do the small circles as close down to the canvas as I can, and then see what I can do with that. This has certainly been fun. I don't know what's caused that black to do that. It's just regular black paint. I don't know whether it's got something to do with the white or the gold splitting it up. It's just, yeah, it's just an unusual painting. It's almost like, for me, a really nice brie cheese with black mould growing around the sides. I've got a very vivid imagination. But what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to walk away for about 15 minutes and leave it to see if it develops any further, and then I'll come back and bring it up closer to the light for you to have a look at. Well, I think I have worked out what may have caused this. My black paint was mixed with glue and water, PVA glue and water, but my gold paint and my white paint were mixed with Floetrol and water. So that's all I can think of is why I've got this different, painting, which I actually really like. It's just different. So I'm going to bring it up closer to the camera now so that you can see the little cells in the gold and the black spots that have formed. I didn't put any silicone or dimethicone into my paint at all, so it's just different. I'm glad I did the second pour. It certainly come out, yeah, differently, and I always like to experiment and see what I can come up with, and this is certainly something I haven't done before, so I'm going to keep working with my split cup to see what else I can create. So that's it for this video. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.